Hey guys, it's me Vishnu again. So the area I live in Delhi has been declared a coronavirus containment zone. It's one of 237 containment zones in the capital. So what is life like when you live in a containment zone? What changes? What stays the same? And what do you see on a daily basis? That's what I'm going to try to walk you through today. So I'm going to take a walk outside with a mask, of course, this one. And I'm going to try and show you what it's like when you live in an area that's been sealed off to prevent the spread of the coronavirus. Let's do this. So this is the view from my house, and I'm just showing you a complete 360-degree view of the area that we live in, so you can get an understanding of what we're going to see hopefully when we go downstairs and take a walk. Yeah.
Few moments later.
So this is the road I live on, and there are 8 paths leading to this road. But as of now, every one of them has been sealed. I'm going to try and show you as many as possible. So this is the road that leads out of my house from one way. Yeah, see? This. Anyway, let's quickly navigate this, jump over it, and here. So this road is usually empty, so we're not seeing anything different here. But check it out. So this is the kind of barricading that they've been doing. They have literally dropped stuff across and placed things so vehicles can't go by, but we can. So, and this reminds me a lot of a zombie apocalypse. So in this whole area, the only thing that's open is this medical store, BS Super Medicals. Down this road, there's a barricade there. And as we go this way, there's another barricade right there. I'm going to walk you right up to that. Like, check it out. All of these shops. So this shop, this one here, used to have people outside it practicing social distancing and just going about their days all the time. And this was a shop. So was that one. So was that one. There was a guy selling vegetables there who's now gone. Up ahead, all of those places were open, except for the haircut place, obviously. So here's the second barricade that I was talking to you about. It's pretty unreal seeing barricades everywhere. As you can see, all the shops and stores, every one of them, without exception, except for medical stores, is shut. If you order things for delivery, they will not come from this area. Most of the time, we can't get anything delivered as far as food goes. But fortunately, we do have access to groceries being delivered, so we're still lucky and privileged. But anyway, check it out. That's the other barricade. And as you can see, there's one more barricade from here. Further ahead, I'll show you. Wait. Right there, you can see that one. See, that's another barricade there. And there's this one, obviously. Outside of the containment zone, most shops are now open. Like, for example, there's a dairy place here, right there. There's a chicken selling place. There's a fucking restaurant. Look, there's a restaurant right there. I don't know how people survive under extended lockdown or curfew situations, man. Must be so difficult. I mean, there are parts of the world which have no internet, very little access to outside supplies and stores, and people live that way for months. In some cases, more than months, years. But just a couple of weeks under this lockdown and, well, this containment zone situation, and I'm fucking ready to run away from here, man. It's pretty unreal seeing so many barricades. Maybe it's just because I've been lucky and privileged enough to not be in a situation where we're constantly under curfew or in a containment zone of some sort, but this experience really makes you value and understand the stuff that you do have as far as freedom of movement and just generally taking a walk and buying something that you need. It's quite something. So anyway guys, this is what it's like to live in a containment zone. If you have any doubts or questions, drop them in the comment section. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Also smash that bell icon, because apparently you have to smash that bell icon to get notified when I make another video. Oh, I'm losing my breath guys. It's this mask, it's not made for breathing really, which is funny. So there's an update about the situation in the area I live in. Grocery deliveries are also now severely limited. Stuff like Dunzo is flatly not delivering at this moment. Zomato and Swiggy technically are still showing deliveries, but when they do turn up, they have trouble getting into the area because they're either being turned away by local residents, or they can't find a way to enter the containment zone because there are so many barricades, and it's getting a little tough, but what can we do?